his left ear in his right hand, and he's clearly talking.
Sure.
What is it?
2 hands on wheel, bloody hell.
Oh my god. Whoever's behind to our near side, we've got a grey van. The driver is holding the phone in his right hand to his left ear, and he's talking, and he did let go with his left hand, so no hands were on his steering wheel, and he just clocked us. Oh, okay, we've got a gentleman in a grey Mercedes. He's texting with his right hand into his phone in lane 2. Oh yeah, phone in right hand, flicking through it with his thumb.
Yes, he is, yeah, he's still doing it now, even though you've passed him. We've got him on camera. His phone's in his right hand. Appears to be either scrolling or flicking. Moving forward now, he hasn't set off, but stand by for the reg. Still on the phone, on camera, 0949.